Yeah, it's 178. Guys, we're going to have a lot of Origin stuff here in about 2 weeks. I need you all to come here and buy it because we do not have space for it.
Oh, actually, dude.
Yeah. Oh.
Might be all right.
How many?
2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 160. That's already 160. Wait, 2, 4, 6, 8.
We might have just enough room to fit what we got.
We'll make it happen.
I don't know, man.
Actually, no. People are going to buy so much that we don't even have to put it on the shelves. They'll come and grab it right away.
That's what's going to happen?
Yeah.
You heard it.
You heard it here first. Come grab these Origin kits. They're coming by the end of the week.
No. We won't be ready to sell them by the end of the week unless you're coming in on 4th
Start lining up tonight.
You're coming in on 4th of July to help, right?
No.
Okay. Ken, you coming in?
If you need me to.
See? That's a team player right there. I need you to be more like Ken.
Yo, he's a new hire. Trying to impress you.
I don't give a what it is. He said he's coming in. You've been working here for 8 years.
8 years? Yeah. 8 years and I'm getting paid this much?
All right, well. Anyway, hot lap number 65. I shouldn't be doing this right now, honestly. I really should not be the one doing this because this is
got it. Action!
Stage wheel giveaway. That's what we're doing right now. And today is the last day. If you're watching this video when it came out, which is June 30th, today is the last day to get those orders in. Every $5 spent on the website gets you 1 entry. Faction merch gets you double entries. Faction products get you double entries. You buy multiple things, you get double entry. Just buy. You got to buy to win, all right? And to be honest, little tip, we don't have many orders this month. So that means your chances are very high to win a set of stage wheels. Any size, color, style that you want. Okay, that being said, what's going on? What's in the shop? You want to do that first? All right, let's go do that first. Well, we got Anthony Rizzo's car on the lift. We're trying to get this thing running like possibly tomorrow. I want to hear this thing start. So if he's watching this, he'll probably be happy about that. Josh's car just lives here at this point, so that's that. I think we had to order a drive shaft or something. Hopefully Josh ordered that already because I didn't. We got an Evo that's been here, turbo chain. We finally got all the gaskets and everything for this Evo, so Chris is going to put this turbo on. Yeah. Customer supplied a bunch of parts. Turbo, manifold, all this stuff. So got to throw that on. That should be pretty easy to do. Then we got this 350Z here with a Stillen supercharger kit. This supercharger kit is discontinued, and it's a fucking nightmare. Chris, you like this kit?
No.
Okay. So, Jesus?
No.
I actually like this kit a lot. If it was new.
Yes.
It's not. So everything's broken. People have already been in here, tried to fix all of it. We had to take it apart to do the valve cover gaskets. It's, yeah. I mean,
We found like on the inside the what's it called? The coolant, where the coolant passages go. Someone tried to fix in that too.
oh yeah. Yeah, the intercooler inside, the water to air intercooler setup, the radiator that's inside of that is pretty up. I tried contacting Stillen. They keep telling me to send pictures of everything because the people that work there don't even know what any of this looks like. So, yeah, Chris is now trying to modify the original supercharger tensioner bracket so that it will work because right now it keeps ripping the supercharger pulley belts because everything's worn so bad that the pulley is not lining up straight. So we're pretty much at our wit's end. If this doesn't work right here, he's going to either have to have someone manufacture a new pulley tensioner, or Stillen's going to have to find one in the back and send it to us because there's no other options. Oh, there's a new problem. What?
That bolt. That bolt that was right here. This one.
Holds it in?
That they hold that bracket in, but it was touching where the tensioner.
Oh, okay, so that might have a... Yeah, so that's probably the main problem.
That was probably what was making this bow up.
Okay.
So if you look there,
Do you think you can solve that
it
problem?
goes here, and you put tension. hits that bolt and it makes it.
angles it.
Yeah.
So how the do they expect you to do this?
So if I could find an Allen bolt that's a cone, I can
Bevel it out.
bevel it out and then put a bolt in it.
Yeah.
But you need a bolt because there's coolant that passes through there.
Okay, so it's a simple fix. Once we redesign the entire tensioner bracket for the company, it'll be fixed. So nice and simple. What else we got in here? Let's go outside. They probably discontinued that kit because it adds about a total of 40 horsepower to the vehicle. Pontiac's back. I think this guy just threw this swap together. He swapped the V8 in it. So he left. Dude, we got the car running. The brakes are all, someone installed the brake calipers upside down, so they couldn't even bleed the brakes. So it had no brakes. So we fixed all that. Drove around the block. He said, oh, this is broken, that broke, this is broke. Can you fix all this? I said, come back in 2 weeks. It's been 2 weeks, so now the car's back. I have a feeling this car's going to live here for a while, and I'm not excited about it because it's a Pontiac. But this is what happens when they call Malcolm. Malcolm lets Pontiacs come to our JDM shop. Altezza over there has got a bunch of ABS problems. I think I finally figured out one of them. Just ABS sensor problems. It seems like the right front ABS sensor has a delay in it, and it's not kicking on the same time as the other ones, which means the sensor might be bad or faulty. So when you hit the brakes at slow speeds, it's engaging the ABS. So we're going to change those sensors out, hopefully in a bit, see if that fixes the problem. I hope it does, because if it doesn't, it might be a problem with the module, and I'm sure the module is discontinued. Blah, 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 blah. This is boring. Let's continue on. Nothing else out here. Let's see. Let's go back to the parts room. Unless you got some... Oh, we got some comments on here. Wild Steve says, hot lap number 69 coming up. Better deliver. I don't know what that means. I don't know what 69 means. All right. Jesus look like... Oh, no. Oh, nah. Jesus. Yeah? Someone said you look like the Pixar lamp. You look like the Pixar lamp.
Because you were bent over in the engine bay.
That's crazy.
Need to re-up on the SR20 DET. Do we? Or did Malcolm just not update the inventory? Who knows? Find out on the next hot lap. Oh, wait. Turn on the high beams. All right. Formula Drift plus ProBroDown. Oh, that was fun. It was hot. Not that bad. Sunday was so good. ProBroDown was amazing. Best event of the year. I'll stand by that. Formula Drift. Formula Drift was cool, I guess. We didn't watch too much of it, but we watched Adam LZ take the win. It was pretty sick, honestly. Adam LZ threw that at the wall. It was pretty gangster. After Hours podcast, they took it down. Yeah, our last podcast, they took it down off YouTube or something because Malcolm decided to play the entire trailer for 28 years later. And I guess he thought that was okay. He just started it, I guess. His first day here. Carl started that... I don't know what that means, Eddie. I'm sorry. You're going to have to read that one to me.
I don't know, something he said in the beginning, I guess? Started off dark?
Oh, Carl started off that dark. I mean, probably. I don't know what he said, but probably. It's probably up. Question prompt. Use your phone. Every time I say that, every time I look at that one, I read it. I don't have a phone, so that sucks. Let's go to Malcolm and see if he wants to do it. What's going on back here, Ken?
Hello.
What's going
Organizing.
on? Organizing. Getting ready.
Getting ready.
We're getting ready for the Origin... What do you call it? The Origin Invasion? The Origin Invasion. That sounds kind of weird, but
Yeah.
it sounds like some...
The Oriental Invasion.
Yeah, like that's what it
sounds
yeah. Definitely not that. But yeah, so it's going to be hectic. But I think, according to my calculations, we have enough space. Exactly.
No, I miscalculated.
Oh, so you were wrong.
I wasn't counting what's already on the shelf. We're short space.
Guys, we need you to buy about 10 of these fenders right now.
Then we should be all right after that.
Guys, if you need Origin stuff, little sneak peek, the prices are going up because Donald Trump. That's the reason. So order now. If you need fenders, order them now. We don't really have many body kits in stock. What's that one body kit we have? Do we have any?
That one that's returning, the Racing Line Zenki.
Racing Line Zenki kit for S14. That's the only body kit we have right now, if you need it. But fenders, we have a decent amount of fenders. So if you guys need fenders, place your orders as soon as possible. The prices will be going up at least 10% on our website, unfortunately.
You know what Cardi B said? And it's up, and it's up, and it's up.
Yeah, and it's up, and it's up, and it's stuck. So the prices might stick there. So, you know, or they might go higher. They might go higher. You never know. So, yeah. Order your fenders now. Malcolm, can you get the question prompt? So we can do this for them.
Kaichio0660. What kind of dinosaur would y'all be?
Velociraptor.
I'm being
Jurassic Park.
a pterodactyl because I want to fly.
Okay. Ken?
What kind of
Looks like a brachiosaurus right now.
tall as hell? What kind of dinosaur would you be?
A sweaty one.
A sweaty one. Maybe a water. A wet one.
Which one would you be?
Squirtle.
Either pterodactyl or the rhinoceros?
Oh, okay. I can see you being a rhino.
Triceratops.
Triceratops?
Oh, rhinoceros.
Rhinoceros. I mean, it's technically a dinosaur.
They look like dinosaurs.
Silk City Skyline R32. Street/track brake setups. RBF 600 and Project Mu pads.
Damn. You don't need those pads, to be honest with you. But yeah, they're hard to get.
What's the other one? EBC yellow stuff, EBC red stuff,
Yeah.
green stuff.
I like DBA rotors. They're really nice. They're really expensive. So I like StopTech slotted rotors too. StopTech slotted rotors.
Stop techs are really affordable too.
Yeah, if they're in stock, which they're probably not. What else?
32 Code says Frankie car update. I should have proofread.
Yeah, you should have proofread that one.
Still looks the same.
Still the same.
Yeah. Keichio again says on the last pod, the Raptors are based on the Utah Raptors in the movies.
Utah Raptors. Yeah, what is a Utah Raptor? I think a Utah Raptor is a larger raptor they found, but I'm pretty sure they found that dinosaur after that movie was made. So I don't know if they're based on that, but I'll take your word for it. But I'm pretty sure the Utah Raptor was discovered after Jurassic Park was made.
Those bones they found?
Yeah, it's a larger raptor, but I don't think it's that big either. I'm a nerd, yeah. What?
All right, dork. Kaylee Murr says, when are we getting Chip and Dale faction stickers? Those are my pets, my cat and dog.
That's up to you, I guess.
I'll make something. I'll design something. Toxic Man, come to RSD this weekend.
No. But thanks for the invite, Alexi. Appreciate it. Alexi's got a customer coming here.
Oh, that BMW?
Sounds like it's going to be a nightmare.
Basically a whole restoration almost.
Yeah.
People want to drift. This is the place you come when you want to drift.
They want to drift.
They want to drift. They want to go sideways.
Well, guys, that cuts the episode short. The compressor had other ideas for this episode. So we got some fenders left in stock. Make sure you order those, and we'll see you on the next one.
I don't know.
Gotta do an outro. All right, we gotta put all the fenders away and put this guy away too.